Here is a new user who put 500 to fund account. Means he has transfer and is not active. We activated. Now we see all options for slot, and we do need purchase one slot. For that, we take from this fund account, and previously he still have activate units purchase. We go to wallet and take from that funding account, which is main account, take some amount for purchase slot. For that, we put the we take and see just now 500 move place to spot account. From that spot account, we go to invest. We have many options to invest from 100 to 500, and we do 500. System okay, 500 INCRAM is yours. We go back to home, we see his spot account 0, means it is invested. We go to info and take a look. Yeah, we checking for security. We go there and we see my slot. You see date and the amount of slot we have purchased. Here we check again, activation units are reduced and all account are 0. If we want to add something, it will be again in the fund account here. So, for time we can just wait 7 days. In 7 days the amount will be good written to the fund account again. Activation units we have used, it was 20, now after purchase become less. This is the feeder system. We go back and check what is here, checking again, and we go again, see activation units. Here we can nothing purchase because the fund account and spot account are 0. To start purchase again, we need add fund. How to find the wallet you still already knows from previous videos. From fund account we can move to any of these accounts. Once it's back to fund account, you can just sell your INCRAM to others or continue investing after you move it to the spot account. Here are you see, we go back to info. Good luck.